In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a tour on Zillow. If you're browsing homes and want to see one in person or virtually, Zillow makes the request process straightforward when the listing allows tours. I'll walk you through what to look for, what happens after you submit your request, and a few helpful tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. Start by opening the property page for the home you're interested in. When tours are enabled by the listing's agent or property manager, you'll see a clear button on the page that says Request a Tour or Schedule a Tour. This button is your shortcut to start the process. If you don't see it, that usually means the listing isn't offering tours through Zillow at the moment, and that's okay. Availability varies by property and by market. When you do see the button, go ahead and tap it. You'll be taken to a simple form where Zillow asks for a preferred date and time. Pick the day and time that works best for you. If the form gives you the option to add a note, it can help to mention whether you're flexible or if you prefer in-person versus a virtual tour. Flexibility can make it easier for the local agent or property manager to match your schedule, especially for popular homes or peak viewing hours. After you've set your preferred time, submit your request. Zillow uses the contact details associated with your inquiry to connect you with a local agent or property manager who handles that property. This submission doesn't instantly confirm the appointment. Rather, it sends your request to the right person so they can coordinate with you. Keep an eye on your messages and notifications because you'll typically receive a confirmation, a follow-up question, or an alternate time if your first choice isn't available. A few quick tips to get the fastest response. Make sure your contact information is accurate so you can be reached promptly and respond quickly to any follow-up questions about timing or access. If you're open to multiple time slots, mentioning that can speed up scheduling. And remember, different listings may offer in-person, self-guided, or virtual tours, depending on the property's policies. That's all there is to it. Look for the Request a Tour or Schedule a Tour button on the property page, choose your preferred date and time, and submit. From there, Zillow connects you with the right local professional to finalize the details. Thanks for watching, and happy home touring.